sometimes being average isn't such a bad thing. After all, C's do get degrees. What's going on, everyone? Josh is the name, Magnitude is the channel, and let's talk money. The dollar cost averaging strategy. If you're just getting started in investing, this is a term you'll probably start to notice being thrown around in conversations. And even in context, it can be hard to understand what it means to dollar cost average into the market. Get it? Means like averages? Okay, no one? Just me? Okay. Well, if you didn't laugh, you have to hit the subscribe button, and if you did laugh, you have to hit the like button. What dollar cost averaging means is to take your total sum that you want to invest into the stock market and deposit it evenly into the market over the course of a certain amount of time. I'm nervous to throw the entire sum into the market all at once, because while the stock market might be significantly up today, there might be a global pandemic around the corner that could tank it. This may or may not be based on true events. Instead, I decide that I'm going to dollar cost average over the course of a year. So I take that $100,000 and I divide it by 12. That gives me $8,333 to deposit every month. In simple terms, that is what dollar cost averaging is. You may be wondering, why should I dollar cost average? When using this strategy, we're looking to minimize potential losses caused by substantial drops in the market. By only exposing a portion of our total sum that we're investing to a decline while markets are volatile, we can potentially hedge against the loss by riding the incline on the other side of a drop with our next deposit as the market recovers. Another benefit to this strategy is that it can reduce the average cost of the shares bought. This is because while you may have bought a share when it was high, if you continue to invest in the same company, you will also be buying those shares when they are low. So there you have it, a simple explanation to the dollar cost averaging strategy. It's a great strategy when it comes to investing. I personally think it's the best strategy when it comes to investing in the stock market. Unless you have a crystal ball that can tell you exactly where the highs and lows of the market are every year. If you have that crystal ball, feel free to message me with those details. Oh, and while you're at it, let me know the Powerball numbers for next month. There's no real set schedule for what constitutes dollar cost averaging. You could deposit the same amount once a year, once a month, or as one of my friends does, once a day. I'm personally doing a once a month schedule and it's working great. What do you think of the dollar cost averaging strategy? Let me know in the comments. As always, if you've made it this far in the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It will really help out the channel a ton. If you'd like a discount on Audible for the summer, check out the link in the description. I've also got some links below to M1 Finance and Webull. The Webull one will give you some free stocks. So be sure to check those out and I will talk to you next time. Peace.